Hello everyone. Yeah, we will wait for 2 minutes and then we start the session. You can post any of your questions in this meantime so that I will try to address most of the questions. Hi Sandesh. Happy Deepavali. Happy Deepavali to everyone. Happy Diwali or Deepavali. Hi Mahesh. Hi Ramu. Hi Sandesh. Happy Deepavali. Happy Deepavali to everyone. Happy Diwali or Deepavali. Thanks, yes. Hi Mahesh. Hi Ramu. Hi Sandesh. Happy Deepavali. Happy
Sandesh,
Deepavali
yeah,
to
we
everyone.
have
Happy Diwali or Deepavali.
error handlings and all.
Thanks,
If you
yes.
check
Check in the screen. Are you able to see my screen? Can someone confirm that? Are you able to see
Hi
Ganesh
Mahesh,
SAP
hi
SCM?
Ramu.
Hi Sandesh. Are you able to see the screen of
Happy
Ganesh
Sandesh,
SAP
yeah, we have
website? Happy Diwali or Deepavali.
error handlings and all.
Thanks,
If you
yes.
check
Check in the screen. Are you able to see my screen? Can someone
Volume, let me
confirm
increase the
that?
volume.
Are you able to see
Hi
Ganesh
Mahesh,
SAP
hi
SCM?
Ramu.
Okay, I hope it is fine now, the volume. Hi Sandesh. Are you able to see the screen of
No
screen?
Ganesh
Sandesh,
SAP?
yeah, we
Let
have
me check it.
site. Happy Diwali or Deepavali.
Error handlings and all.
Thanks,
If you
yes.
check
Check in the screen. Are you able to see my screen? Can someone
Volume, let me
confirm
increase the
that?
volume.
Are you able to see
Hi
Ganesh
Mahesh,
SAP
hi
SCM?
Ramu.
Okay, I hope it is fine now, the volume. Are you able to see the screen now? Are you able to see the screen of
No screen.
Ganesh
Sandesh,
SAP?
yeah, we
Let
have
me check it.
site.
Happy Diwali or Deepavali.
Error handlings and all.
Thanks,
If you
yes.
check
Check in the screen. Are you able to see my screen? Can someone
Volume, let me
confirm
increase the
that?
volume.
Are you able to see
Hi
Ganesh
Mahesh,
SAP
hi
SCM?
Ramu.
Okay, I hope it is fine now, the volume. Are you able to see the screen now? Are you able to see the screen of
No screen.
Ganesh
Sandesh,
SAP?
yeah, we
Let
have
me check it.
site.
Happy Diwali or Deepavali.
Error handlings and all.
Thanks,
If you
yes. Check in the screen. Are you able to see my screen? Can someone
Volume, let me
confirm
increase the
that?
volume.
Are you able to see
Hi
Ganesh
Mahesh,
SAP
hi
SCM?
Ramu.
Okay, I hope it is fine now, the volume. Are you able to see the screen now? Are you able to see the screen of
No screen.
Ganesh
Sandesh,
SAP?
yeah, we
Let
have
me check it.
site.
Happy Diwali. I
or
believe now you can see
Error
the screen.
handlings
Can
and
you
all.
confirm?
Thanks,
You
yes.
check in the screen. Are you able to see my screen? Can someone
Volume, let me
confirm
increase the
that?
volume.
Are you able to see
That
Ganesh
repeat
SAP
could be
SCM?
happening because
Okay, I hope it
you
is
may be
fine now,
hearing from
the volume. Are you able to
like
see the
that.
screen now?
So yeah, I can see now.
Are
You
able to
can see the screen.
of
No screen.
Ganesh
Sandesh,
SAP?
yeah, we
Let
have
me check it.
site.
Happy Diwali.
I believe now you can see the screen.
Handings
Can you
and all.
confirm?
Thanks,
You
yes.
check in the screen. Are you able to see my screen? Can someone?
Screen is okay,
confirm
but
that?
the echo,
that
repeated sound, I believe,
because
I hope it is fine now.
check
The
your
volume
system. Are you able to see the screen now?
how is
So
your
yeah,
audio
I can
and
see
all?
now.
Are
You
able
can
to
see the screen.
But, process wise, I believe it should check fine. Happy Diwali.
I believe now you can see the screen.
Handings
Can you
and all.
confirm?
Thanks,
You
yes.
check in the screen. Are you able to see my screen? Can someone?
Screen is okay,
confirm
but
that?
the echo,
that
repeated sound, I believe,
because
I hope it is fine now.
check
The
your
volume
system. Are you able to see the screen now?
how is
So
your
yeah,
audio
I can
and
see
all?
now.
Are
You
able
can
to
see the screen.
But, process wise, I believe it should check fine. Happy Diwali.
I believe now you can see the screen.
Handings
Can
and
you
all.
confirm?
Thanks,
You
yes.
check in the screen. Are you able to see my screen? Can someone?
Screen is okay,
confirm
but
that?
the echo,
that
repeated sound, I believe,
because
I hope it is fine now.
check
The
your
volume
system. Are you able to see the screen now?
how is
So
your
yeah,
audio
I can
and
see
all?
now. You
Thanks to all
can
of
see
you
the
for
screen.
joining, and I
I
hope the audio is fine now. And
believe
from
now you
my
can see
end,
the
the
screen.
audio
Can
is
you
the same
confirm?
thing which I used earlier.
Screen. Are you able to see my
And
screen?
if you have any kind of a
Someone
screen is
should
okay,
check
but
and,
the
put it in
echo,
the chat
repeated
so that
sound,
we
I
have
believe,
because
I hope it is fine now.
check
The
your
volume
system. Are you able to see the screen now?
how is
So
your
yeah,
audio?
I can
and
see
all?
now. You
Thanks to all
can
of
see
you
the
for
screen.
joining, and I
I
hope the audio is fine now. And
believe
from
now you
my
can see
end,
the
the
screen.
audio
Can
is
you
the same
confirm?
thing which I used earlier.
Screen. Are you able to see my
And
screen?
if you have any kind of a
Someone
screen is
should
okay,
check
but
and,
the
Happy
echo,
Diwali and
repeated
Deepavali
sound, I
happening
believe,
because
I hope it is fine now.
check
The
your
volume
system. Are you able to see the screen now?
how is
So
your
yeah,
audio?
I can
and
see
all?
now. You
Thanks to all
can
of
see
you
the
for
screen.
joining, and I hope the audio is fine now. And
believe
from
now
my
you
end,
can
the
see the
echo
same
wise,
thing which I
similar
used
kind of
earlier.
audio,
Are you
the
able to
mic,
see my
everything. If you
screen?
have any kind of a screen is okay, but the
Happy
echo,
Diwali and
repeated
Deepavali
sound, I
happening
believe,
because
I hope it is fine now.
check
The
your
volume
system. Are you able to see the screen now?
how is
So
your
yeah,
audio?
I can
and
see
all?
now. You
Thanks to all
can
of
see
you
the
for
screen.
joining, and I hope the audio is fine now. And
believe
from
now
my
you
end,
can see
the
the
echo
same
wise,
thing.
audio, similar kind of audio,
Are you
the
able to
mic,
see my
everything. If you
screen?
have any kind of a screen is okay, but the
Happy
echo,
Diwali and
repeated
Deepavali
sound, I
happening
believe,
because
I hope it is fine now.
check
The
your
volume
system. Are you able to see the screen now?
how is
So
your
yeah,
audio?
I can
and
see
all?
now. You
Thanks to all
can
of
see
you
the
for
screen.
joining, and I hope the audio is fine now. And
believe
from
now
my
you
end,
can see
the
the
echo
same
wise,
thing.
audio, similar kind of audio,
Are you
the
able to
mic,
see my
everything. If you
screen?
have any kind of a screen is okay, but the
Happy
echo,
Diwali and Deepavali
repeated sound, I believe,
because
I hope it is fine now.
check
The
your
volume
system. Are you able to see the screen now?
how is
So
your
yeah,
audio?
I can
and
see
all?
now. You
Thanks to all
can
of
see
you
the
for
screen.
joining, and I hope the audio is fine now. And
believe
from
now
my
you
end,
can see
the
the same
echo wise,
thing.
audio, similar kind of audio,
Are you
the
able to
mic,
see my
everything. If you
screen?
have any kind of a screen is okay, but the
Happy
echo,
Diwali and
repeated
Deepavali
sound, I
happening
believe,
because
I hope it is fine now.
check
The
your
volume
system. Are you able to see the screen now?
how is
So
your
yeah,
audio?
I can
and
see
all?
now. You
Thanks to all
can
of
see
you
the
for
screen.
joining, and I hope the audio is fine now. And
believe
from
now
my
you
end,
can see
the
the same
echo wise,
thing.
audio, similar kind of audio,
Are you
the
able to
mic,
see my
everything. If you
screen?
have any kind of a screen is okay, but the
Happy
echo,
Diwali and
repeated
Deepavali
sound, I
happening
believe,
because
I hope it is fine now.
check
The
your
volume
system. Are you able to see the screen now?
how is
So
your
yeah,
audio?
I can
and
see
all?
now. You
Thanks to all
can
of
see
you
the
for
screen.
joining, and I hope the audio is fine now. And
believe
from
now
my
you
end,
can see
the
the same
echo wise,
thing.
audio, similar kind of audio, everything. If you have kind of a screen is okay, but the
Happy
echo,
Diwali and
repeated
Deepavali
sound, I
happening
believe,
because
I hope it is fine now.
check
The
your
volume
system. Are you able to see the screen now?
how is
So
your
yeah,
audio?
I can
and
see
all?
now.
Few people can comment how is the audio. I hope the audio is fine now. The mic again. And
believe
from
now
my
you
end,
can
everything. If you have kind of a screen is okay, but the
Happy
echo,
Diwali and
repeated sound, I believe,
because
I hope it is fine now.
check
The
your
volume
system. Are you able to see the screen now?
how
So yeah, I can see
few
now.
people can comment how is the audio. I hope the audio is fine now. The mic again. And from my end, everything. If you have his audio, kind of a screen is okay, but the
Happy
echo,
Diwali and
repeated sound, I believe,
because
I hope it is fine now.
check
The
your
volume
system. Are you able to see the screen now?
how
So yeah, I can see now.
few people can comment how is the audio. I hope the audio is fine now. The mic again. And
believe
from
now
my
you
end,
can
everything. If you have his audio, kind of a screen is okay, but the
Happy
echo,
Diwali and
repeated sound, I believe,
because
I hope it is fine now.
check
The
your
volume
system. Are you able to see the screen now?
how
So yeah, I can see now.
few people can comment how is the audio. I hope the audio is fine now. The mic again. And
believe
from
now
my
you
end,
We have his audio. The screen is okay, but the Happy Diwali and the repeated sound, I believe, because hope it is fine now. Otherwise, you can how. So yeah, I can see now. Few people can comment how is the audio. I hope the audio is fine now. The mic again, and from my end. We have his audio. The screen is okay, but the Happy Diwali and the repeated sound, I believe, because hope it is fine now. Otherwise, you can how. So yeah, I can see now. Few people can comment how is the audio. I hope the audio is fine now. The mic again, and from my end. We have his audio. The screen is okay, but the Happy Diwali and the repeated sound, I believe, because hope it is fine now. Otherwise, you can how. So yeah, I can see now. Few people can comment how is the audio. I hope the audio is fine now. The mic again, and from my end. We have his audio. The screen is okay, but the Happy Diwali and the repeated sound, I believe, because hope it is fine now. Otherwise, you can how. So yeah, I can see now. Few people can comment how is the audio. I hope the audio is fine now. The mic again, and from my end. We have his audio. The screen is okay, but the Happy Diwali and the repeated sound, I believe, because hope it is fine now. Otherwise, you can how. So yeah, I can see now. Few people can comment how is the audio. I hope the audio is fine now. The mic again, and from my end. We have his audio. The screen is okay, but the Happy Diwali and the repeated sound, I believe, because hope it is fine now. Otherwise, you can how. So yeah, I can see now. Few people can comment how is the audio. I hope the audio is fine now. The mic again, and from my end. We have his audio. The screen is okay, but the Happy Diwali and the repeated sound, I believe, because hope it. Hello, is it okay now? Hello. Hello. Hello, is it okay now? I believe this should be fine. Hello. Okay. So yeah, I found that one. There are I'm using the two screens so that you are getting the two lines. I believe now it is fine. I believe this should be fine. Hello. Okay. So yeah, I found that one. There are I'm using the two screens so that you are getting the two lines. I believe now it is fine. Okay, so the first of all, happy Diwali, happy Deepavali, and yeah, the technical glitch because I used the old OBS stream after the Google Meet connection has some issues and all. I need to sort it out. So I used to, like in earlier years, I have the same streaming software I was using. So today I connected with the same thing. So let's talk about your questions and any other inputs if I want to share with all of you. So this is the session where we are going to understand about the different requirements and how you are going to handle your activities. Okay, so those are all we are going to do. So can you keep the questions? I will read and answer it. So the questions wise, experience in QA, in IS retail, and experience in construction. Okay, How to project yourself? See, first of all, you worked on multiple modules. Like as per your question, you mentioned that you worked on MM, TM, PM. Okay, multiple modules you worked, even QM. So first of all, you need to decide how do you wanted to plan your career. Okay, whether you wanted to go with MM stream or you want to go with TM, or maybe you will go with PM and QM, because PM is a small module, so you definitely should have some support module. Even the TM also, when you go for TM, EWM plus TM is a good combination. Okay. For MM alone you can go, and down the line you can add MM plus EWM and all, but immediately may not be required. So you choose it, which stream you wanted to go, and decide one, and then once you decide it, you focus on the preparation. So which module you decide, later you don't think anything, either you choose one or two or three, and learn properly for 3 months or 4 months with videos or with a trainer. But definitely you should have a mentor. During this process you must have a mentor where you can update the skills. Okay, so once you learn better and practice, so please don't go for any shortcuts. Don't go for any shortcuts. Okay, so shortcuts means people, different shortcuts are there. Like at least most of the people will try to create only interview questions they read. They don't practice, they don't learn properly. Please, such kind of attitude you leave it. And another thing, that the extreme levels, like someone can do the proxy or interview, so please avoid those things. Okay, you prepare your own 3 months or 4 months or 5 months, you put a target and prepare well and achieve your the planned career what you are expecting, and don't leave your current job. So parallelly you prepare, and 4 months target you put it. In this meantime, if you get an opportunity, you can move to consulting side. So any other questions? Like currently MM consultant. This is the most repeated question. Currently MM, and you have some experience of 2 to 5 years or some experience. You wanted to, what modules you can learn? So you have MM plus EWM, MM plus WM. Even you can focus on MM plus Ariba. Okay. Even BTP is not specific to kind of module and all, but there are few no coding related, right? So that BTP also you can plan for your career. So where you can add as additional, because BTP is kind of having lot of artificial intelligence related functionalities. So I'm sure it will be helpful for your career. No coding related, right? So that BTP also you can plan. So no mentorship and all, but you can reach for our the Google Drive. Okay, so Google Drive, which contains the 120 plus hours of course. Okay, 120 plus hours of course. Definitely you can take that, and during preparation I can refer a mentor. Refer a mentor, so that you can closely connect every week, one time or two times you can connect and clarify your questions and all. So definitely that will be a good value added for you. Okay, that you can plan it 120 plus, and you will get a mentor. So you can get the mentor. uh, Focus on preparing and understanding how you are using your current company related activities. The same thing you can follow here and make your better thing. Okay, companies ask immediate join. Yeah, notice period is something challenging. Okay, 90 days notice period. You have to find the companies who are okay to wait, but unfortunately many people They won't release the candidate for 90 days mostly, but they will expect a candidate to join within a month. So definitely notice period is challenging, and there is two options are there. Proceed with companies who are okay for 90 days. Sometimes what happened, they first with companies who are okay for 90 days. So what happened, they know the project is going to come in next 5 months, 6 months, or else they want to keep certain resources for their upcoming projects without any specific role. At that point of time, those companies will accept it. And second way will be like, you have to negotiate, cannot be 90 days, and you have to negotiate with manager. But yeah, this negotiation will happen only during resign or after resigning. Before that you cannot ask, because without offer letter no one is like to discuss with manager until they have a very good relation and they know the situation and your aspirations are not fulfilling in the company and there is no visibility it will be fulfilled. Either it can be on site or it can be a specific role you are looking for, or you wanted to work on EWM but your company doesn't have any plans to get a EWM related projects for the next 2 years. So your manager is okay for you to release to another company or a project. If you have such kind of a relation, you can talk to that manager. This is the situation, and I'm looking for outside opportunities. But most of the HRs are asking for a 1 month or 2 months notice period, but they're not okay for the 3 months. So if you give an assurance that you can release, then I will start with negotiate and put it 1 or 2 months notice period. That is one option. Another option is this needs courage and good confidence on your subject and network, everything. Resign, resign and try for the job. Okay. But don't resign on the day one you wanted to change, but you try to talk to few HR and number one and number two options you don't have any choice. At that point of time, build skills, revise skills. If anything new processes you wanted to learn, you learn the new processes and build some LinkedIn network and all. Then once you feel that okay, I can get something in 3 months, 90 days is a huge time to get it, then you resign and try, and you put it the word called initially you will put it 2 months or one to 2 months notice period, or you can put it from day one you can put 1 month notice period. Anyway, the recruitment process will take some time, right? So you can put 1 month and then immediate. Okay. So if you put these words, then you will get more calls than 90 days notice period. You can get it, but this needs preparation. If you follow me closely, I did similar thing in 2017, but my target was to get a job in abroad. So it was achieved in 3 months notice period. I got 3 offers. So it is possible, but yeah, based on your confidence and your responsibilities, EMI, all those things, people may not think to decide what will happen if I don't get in 3 months. So when you get that question thing, then try to avoid the third decision. But if you believe in yourself and you know you have a network is not something whenever you need, you just open LinkedIn and ask, okay, please share me any job opportunity. I'm looking for immediate change. When you ask someone, you should be in a, your profile should be helped earlier to many people. It's not about nobody will calculate how many people you help, but that is karma. Okay, one is that the karma wise, if you helped many people by sharing their profile or helping or sharing job opportunities, what you know and what you see in your company, then definitely that will be helpful. It's there is no direct linkage for that. Okay, I helped 100 people, so I will be 100 people will help me. It's not like that, but you keep helping, definitely that will impact, because your profile also will be, yeah, this guy always shares some job opportunities or knowledge. Yes, when he needs us we have to help. That will definitely play the role. It's not something that someone will help you will do it, but you do your work, the result will follow. So build some network, and it's not something open LinkedIn only when you need it. Open at least 2 times or 3 times or 4 times per week. Just check it, what is happening, what new technologies are coming, what kind of job opportunities in the market. And your company is recruiting some 10 consultants for a project. Why should you hide in you? You can go and put that the image or email in LinkedIn. Yes, there are 10 Java openings in Pune or Bangalore, and please reach to this email. So nothing, you are going to lose nothing other than getting few additional followers and the blessings. Okay. Any other questions? So, what is your opinion about our latest videos and how you are utilizing for your career? So, are you following the latest videos and even the previously uploaded videos also? You can go through that. It's not about only the video which is coming on Friday, right? You have to focus by using the playlists. Okay, so please focus on the playlist. You always put focus on playlists on YouTube. So to find the specific area you wanted to enhance, service procurement related area or pricing process related, please focus on that area and start giving your interviews and keep updating your skills. Okay, so use the playlist on YouTube and click on bell icon so that you will get a notification for the new videos. And like I told you that weekly one new video will come, one or two, but in our playlist you have 1000 plus SAP videos, so you don't wait for the only the notification. Come to our channel, open the playlist and check in which playlist you wanted to learn and keep learning. Okay, so the people who are watching our courses on Udemy, so thanks again for your review. If you are not yet provided, please give your ratings. On this Diwali, I'm asking to all of you that open Udemy, whatever courses you have enrolled as of now, please provide your valuable ratings. So definitely that will be helpful as an encouragement, and also it will be helpful for our growth. Okay, ratings, you can give all the courses whatever you enrolled it. What will the career path for 15 years? Okay, 15 plus years of domain SCM domain experience. Okay, so 15 plus years means it's a huge actually. So many companies are, even as a interview panel, if I'm there, if a person is having 15 years of experience, you wanted to join as consultant, it will I can say 90% it is difficult to get it in, at least in India. And in abroad and all, they may not consider your age and previous experience and all. There will be challenging, but definitely you can showcase your 15 plus years of experience in a way that not just consultant, you can lead solution, client engagement. Okay, client engagement, and you can work like certain objects of objects, you can work it, but you cannot tell that I will work like a consultant. Then they may think that one with this huge experience, whether you can work like with freshers and all. So, and also that what is your learning curve at after 15 years of industry experience, how excited you are to learn new module, or how excited you are to explore certain kind of issues which will take hours of time to R&D practice, test in the system, and assumptions and few analysis, lot of things will happen, right? So that's why, that is the reason why companies may not prefer to hire a person with 15 years of experience. But you can definitely plan, nothing your recipe knowledge is not going to be waste. So what I can suggest you that Okay, you can come to YouTube channel. Okay, normally like if you come to YouTube channel, or else you can directly search like domain employees by Ganesh Padala. So if you search, there is a video on our channel, so where you will get it, the required suggestions from me. Okay, so domain let me get that one. Career suggestion to domain employees in industries by Ganesh Padala. So this video will give you the required input, around 49 minutes of video. So please watch that, so that you will get to know what all you can do it. Okay, if there is challenges and all, so that video will be helpful for you. You can watch that video. So why it's not coming in a proper way? We change the name of the video. These are all career suggestions. One we have one playlist. Okay, there you will find the different kind of videos, so related to the career planning and how can you plan your career. So those things you will definitely get to know here. Yeah, this is the video. Suggestions to the employees who work in purchasing, accounting, stores. So this video you can go through. Definitely it is going to add a value to understand that one. Okay, how can you plan your career and what exactly the activities and all. This is the one. Please watch it. Yes, there is a IDOC course we have. Okay, you can go to Udemy. Okay, you can go to in Udemy. There is a specific course for IDOC course. IDOC course by Ganesh Padala, and you can use the coupon code GP hyphen identity. Okay, use this coupon code so that you will get a for the better price one. Then not on IDA course, we have multiple courses, but IDA course, if you want, you can use this GP identity coupon code. Windows Administrator, the SAP basis. I think it's a good combination. You can learn the SAP basis or any system related one. You can plan for that one. So because that also will have this kind of admin thing. So you can talk to a trainer. First, you once you check this one, whether administrator to basis consultant, is it a good transformation, and any other SAP technical related one where you can utilize it. That point also you can talk to them. So video is not displaying. Okay, let me check. Okay, the screen was disturbed, I believe. So video is not displaying. Okay, let me Now it should be fine. Yeah, I think now it should be fine, right? I hope you can see the screen. Even I'm also open the live so that it is fine. I can see. Now it should be fine, right? I hope you can see the screen. What is the impact of SAP with AI? So impact is you need to learn and update. Okay, you just need to learn and update the skills. That's what I can understand. So SAP BTP is getting a lot of AI functionalities, and SAP Joule. Okay, like if you follow these things, SAP Joule, which is related to that. All AI related things, and even SAP BTP is coming up with a lot of AI functionalities. So you can learn the AI which is related to SAP, and of course the impact of AI. Earlier you used to search in Google and go to SCN blog or somewhere, and AI is providing you the step by step things, so your work will be faster. So these positives you can consider, and there may be few impact of certain jobs, like where the repeat kind of activities are happening and all. So that part it will have some impact, but as consultant you learn about what AI things are coming up in the market and how to improve that area. Okay, how to what to you have to learn and you have to prepare for that. Okay. Yes, I have a structured video. Okay, if you see our Ganesh SAP SCM site, for example, if you come to our blog, okay, let's not change the skins. If you come to our blog www.ganeshsapscm.com. Okay. If you come here, there will be the videos link. You can click on the link for registering. So there you can get it, the complete 120 plus hours of course is there, which contain both ECC and S4 HANA. And S4 HANA we are keep adding every month, at least 3-4 videos are being added. Okay. So this is about the we addressed some 10 questions, and IDO course is available where you can use this coupon code. Okay, maybe I can write everything into capital letter. GP hyphen identity. So the basis you can learn as a Windows administrator, but when you go for the demo for the basis, right, you talk to the person how will be the future and what kind of activities will be done, how much your Windows administrator will add the value to your role. Okay, those all you can talk to them and then decide it. So AI wise, SAP Joule and SAP BTP, if you can Google, you will find out what all things you can learn from there. As an consultant or SD consultant, anything we are working currently, you can adopt the new functionalities which will save our time and increase our efficiency. If someone needs the complete videos, you can go to our blog, like this is the one, Ganesh SAP SCM. So if you come to Ganesh SAP SCM, where you can find the blog related things, you find it right here. There is a link, SAP course content. So here if you click this SAP course content, it will get a registration details. You can register your details and proceed. So this is the way how you can think. And in our blog, I always suggest the people to use the categories. You can use the support tickets. For example, if you click the support tickets, you will get plenty of support sample tickets with the solutions. Okay, you can go through that with error message solution are available. So you will find some 20 to 30 support tickets, and please provide your valuable feedback for these things. And if you like, you can click on the like button, so that I can understand that what kind of documents are being liked by our members. So I can try to make the similar kind of new documents and new videos. So always your feedback is going to play the key role in identifying or finalizing our future content. If you are watching something more, or if you are learning something more, I try to make the similar videos. Okay, although I will not depend completely on the feedback, because we have a certain kind of a plan. Yeah, I have a plan to make these videos in this 2025, and next year I want to make these videos. I have a plan. I will give around 60 percentage to my plan and 40 percentage to your feedback. So don't hesitate to give any inputs, or if you are learning something, you put your encouraging words. And if you are feeling something to share as a feedback, please put your remarks or put your review points, so that I will consider and to improve myself. If you are hiding, okay, what Ganesh sir will think if I put this kind of feedback, then you can send an email if you don't want to put it in a public comment, but you try to give it. Because in life we are able to evolve only when you know about our negative, I can't say negative, when you are going to know about our improvement points from our mentor or from the close followers like you. If you don't tell it, then tomorrow 10 people will think in that way, and 10 people also feel shy or hesitate to share with me, then the 10 will become 100, because I'm not able to find that respect improvement point. That's why I'm making the video in that way, right? If you are able to share that input point when at the initial stage, I will correct it and I will improve our content, so that this 10 100 will never be there. So not only to me, that you, with your friend or a sibling or a relatives, anything, if you want something to correction, you talk to them, you tell them. They may feel hurt initially, but that will be a great help for them. If you don't know about your improvement points, then you will never be improved, right? You always feel that what I'm doing, it's good, until it is blasted. So let's not go into that blasting stage, and initially you can put it a comment. I will consider if it is the genuine feedback and having some kind of improvement, definitely I will adopt that and apply in my coming videos. Yeah, functional specification and all we have in our content. Okay, if you see this, what this 120 plus hours of content contains, the documents like blueprint document and KDS, key data structures, and you will have sample, functional specification, config documents, test scripts, and also you will have authorization related things. Okay, so you will have authorization, cutover templates, whether it can be material or vendor or purchase order. All these things you are going to get it. Of course, support tickets, you are going to get 100 plus around interview questions and answers. Currently it is 400 plus, and it's keep on adding. Course content, the BTP I have not yet made. As of now, I made the two content. Most of you know that one. One is MM, another one is WM. In MM, I am covering both ECC and S4 HANA. Although S4 HANA, few more topics are going to be added. And the same thing, ECC and S4 HANA. So these are our content currently contents. Maybe in future we might get some other topics. Definitely I will announce to all of you. So fresher CV and all, you can send an email for us to get any sample template. And regarding the interview questions, you can go through our fresher mock interview. Okay, so there are multiple fresher mock interviews are there. You can definitely go through that one to understand the type of questions. Any other questions? We are going to end our live in next 5 minutes. I hope this live have given you some kind of insight, although initial 10 minutes we lost because of the connection and audio issues. Anyway, we found the solution, so it won't be repeated next time. How to use BAPI? Yeah, if you see that BAPI by Ganesh Padala, there are multiple free videos on YouTube itself. Okay, you can check it on YouTube itself. The testing wise, it's quite similar. BAPI or function module. BAPI by Ganesh Padala. In Udemy also we have one free course. In public you can find it. And YouTube, if you search like this, BAPI by Ganesh Padala, or even function module, FM or function module by Ganesh Padala, you can find multiple videos related to that. Okay. So that you can utilize for your learning and how to update it. Thanks again for all of you for joining, and it's nice to connect with all of you on this colorful Diwali. So it's a great thing to meet all of you. Happy Diwali again. You can go to Udemy and share your ratings to celebrate our Diwali, and keep sharing the videos, whatever you are learning, with your friends. Okay, so either it is a YouTube video link or our blog link, okay, or else any Udemy course you like, or you got a Udemy certificate from Udemy as Ganesh Padal as an instructor. Once you complete the course, that Udemy certificate you can put it on LinkedIn. I learned about implementation, or else I learned about iDoc. So you can project your profile and build your connections and improve the traffic to your profile. So this is the way how you can grow, and always keep in mind that whatever you learn or whatever you know the information, whether it is a job information or a knowledge article or a nice video or a document, try to share with your circle. So it may not see, it's not something like I ate a sweet, immediately I felt the sweetness. It's not like, right? If you do exercise, you don't see that the impact. Okay, maybe a little bit you can see immediately, but that will be helpful for years to keep you healthy. The healthy food habits. The same way, if you are helping someone, or if you are doing something to the society, or you are sharing some information, either a job information. Today you don't have any plan to change the job. Like I mentioned earlier, that 2017 July was my latest interview for a job opening. It's been almost 8.5 years, but I still keep checking LinkedIn, knowing about the job openings, and we keep on sharing on our YouTube shorts. If you follow our YouTube shorts, you get a lot of job opportunity information which we collected from different sources. So the intention to help others, intention to make an impact is required, and the result will follow. May not be immediately, but definitely it will happen. Okay, so the Rakesh and whoever having domain experience, like I shared, you go and search in career suggestion by Ganesh Padala. There is a video for all purchasing, accounting, any department people who are working. So you can go and check that. I'm sure it will be helpful. Thanks Ramurti and thanks Sri Shail. Thanks everyone for joining this live. So we'll connect if you have any valid points or any kind of input for the next YouTube live. Please share it so that we will plan something in November or December. Thank you, and click on the bell icon for getting the notifications. I believe most of you whoever online have subscribed, and if you are watching this video later, please subscribe to our channel and give your encouraging words. That is the best thing for a content creator. The appreciations and the positive words and even the improvement words to make ourselves better. Thank you. Thanks again. Thank you.